Good morning student. Today we take class 12th physics lesson first electric charge and field. Our topic is continuous charge distribution. Today we take surface charge distribution. In the previous topic we learned about volume charge distribution. So we start. It is a charge distribution spread over a two-dimensional surface S. In space, we define the surface charge density at any point on the surface as a charge per unit area at that point is sigma dq upon ds. Let us consider the surface. In this surface, the charge spread all over it. We take a small surface S or ds. From this surface, there is a charge at a distance of r. A small charge q naught at a distance of r vector. In this surface, there is a charge line dq. So let us consider. If a charge q is uniformly distributed or spread over the surface of a spherical conductor of radius suppose capital R. This surface has a radius of capital R. Then its surface charge density what is surface charge density? Sigma dq upon ds, or you can write dq will become q, ds will become 4 pi r square. Its unit is coulomb per meter square. So you can make a bracket for that one. The charge contained in small area or surface ds is, from here it will become dq equals to sigma ds. Total electrostatic force. Total electrostatic force exerted on charge which are the small charge q naught due to entire surface S is given by Fs. Again, force exerted equals to q naught upon, for directly you can solve it, 4 pi epsilon naught integration of surface sigma ds. Here you can write dq, so the dq will be converted into ds upon r square and r cap. So you can write electrostatic field due to the surface charge distribution at the location of charge q naught is, you can write again Fs upon q naught. It implies that it will become q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration of surface sigma ds upon r square r cap upon q naught. Q naught will be cancelled out by q naught. So electric field will become at the surface will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration of surface sigma r square ds r cap. This is a formula for electric field. Thank you.